Ukraine's children are facing the start of another uncertain school year and their fourth year of disrupted education. The war, preceded by the COVID-19 pandemic, have left the children struggling to progress in their learning. Some children are missing out on their chance to develop socially. As many as 3/4 of children in frontline areas are not attending preschool. UNICEF is working with the government of Ukraine in host community and with partners on the ground to rehabilitate school shelter, train teachers, provide the psychosocial support and education supply, and support catch-up learning. This includes right here in a kindergarten rehabilitated by UNICEF, where children can learn and play together safely. We will continue our work to get all children into school and learning, no matter where they reside.